Welcome back. This morning's first interview comes with Natalie Reed Morris. She's from Naturally Relax. She's an experienced cultivator and massage therapist, and she's also a birth keeper. And she's going to discuss the importance of massages in connection to our bodies and our souls. Good morning, Natalie. Welcome.
Hi, Delia. Good morning.
First, how long have you been doing massage therapy?
Well, I did my first training in 2011, so about 10 years now.
Wow.
I've been doing massage on and off in between projects and work and things like that, but it was just something that I really gravitated to, and I wanted to learn more about the body and how to help relax myself as well as others.
It's interesting because depending on who you speak with, getting a massage maybe like a once a month, once every 3 months kind of, I'm going to treat myself. Then there are others who feel that it is an important part of a consistent regimen.
Yes.
So clarify for me, what does the massage do for the body? And in this case, you say for the soul.
Yes. There's so many benefits for massage, and I really believe it should be a part of your regular regimen of healing modalities that you use. The first and foremost is really just relaxing the nervous system. When you are receiving a massage, you tend to go into a space that mimics sleep. And so it signals to your brain and to your nervous system to kind of shut down, relax, start to, recuperate, rehabilitate. And if you at least take a minimum of an hour a month, depending on how chronic you may have stress, how chronic your stress level is, then once a month is okay. But for some persons, they do it twice a month, even once a week, because especially with the situation that we're in right now, this global crisis, so many persons, their nerves are on edge. So even things that probably didn't used to bother them before, they have to now, be able to use this modality to help them relax and find that peace of mind. It can also be very beneficial for persons with ailments, because you will get your lymphatic system drained, and that is what helps to keep your immune system up. So there's so many benefits. It can be very much a luxurious experience, but I do believe it should be a part of our regular regimen of healing modalities.
Is it important then to ensure that that wherever you go, I'm trying to say this in the most diplomatic way, that they understand what it is that they're doing? Because I'm listening to you, and it can do different things for different people. Should I say to the masseuse, this is what's happening to my body or to my mind, and so this is why I'm here, and then that will determine the kind of massage that I have?
Maybe not the kind, but certainly the trigger points that your masseuse or your masseur may focus on. So for instance, right now with everybody on Zoom and on their phones a lot, I'm finding persons coming with a lot of neck pain, a lot of upper back issues in the backs of the shoulders. I remember 1 month last year, every single person had knots right behind their shoulder blades. And it's because of the constant Zoom calls, and how our eyes have to focus on the screens. So you find that you get a lot of pressure in the back of your head. So, without a shadow of a doubt, there are environmental things that affect how muscles can constrict in your body. And so what I do with all of my clients, and I'm pretty sure all massage therapists do this, is ask persons, where they're feeling if they're feeling any particular pain. And they might say, maybe just this, maybe just that. And then when they lay on the massage table now, they're like, I really actually feeling most of the pain here. and they start to talk about what may have happened to cause it. So it does turn into a therapy session sometimes, and people really need that space as well to kind of be able to talk through what they might be going through. Some people are absolutely quiet, and that's what they need.
I go sleep.
So
if it's a good one, I'll go to
sleep. Yeah, because your parasympathetic system, your parasympathetic nervous system is affected, and you get a really good rest afterwards. I honestly, daily, I feel sorry for people who have to drive after a massage, because I wish I could just teleport them to their homes, because they're such in a relaxed state.
Let's talk about oils, because that's another thing. I mean, you'll go and people say they're using this type of oil or that type of oil. What oils do you like to use?
So I actually started a brand last year called Naturally Rooted, and I have been since I started doing massages many years ago. I do aromatherapy for my clients, so I mix their oils on the spot based on what they're going through.
Okay.
So if somebody is telling me they're having chronic pain in their lower back, they are having horrible pain in their IT bands along their thighs, then I'm going to draw for like pimento or nutmeg, Jamaican oils that are really analgesic. So I do my best to try and find local oil makers who are making essential oils, safe essential oils, or persons who are bringing in safe essential oils as well. So I started blending my own oil blends, and I was actually using some before he called. That's why he saw me rubbing my face, because my morning routine is to really just liven up with some oils. This one is a little pimento, a little orange, and then I use my jade roller, and I just get into these spots here. So oils as a lubricant, as a moisturizer, I strongly believe in them. I'm a natural advocate, so I've always used like coconut oil, shea butter, those types of oils that are less heavy. Mineral oil, baby oil, those oils I stay away from because they are man-made, and we want to use plant-based oils on our skin.
Where do I find your products?
Well, currently I'm distributing. It's really small batch orders, so it's a more personal experience, and I also.
So where are you? Where are you on social media? For people who are watching that
I'm on social media at Naturally Relax, or the oils are at Naturally Rooted, and that's NATURALIE. Relax.
Beautiful.
So
Let me tell you.
It's a play on my name, Natalie.
Yeah. Listen. Every time I see older women and they look like 50 years younger, I always tease them and say, I know them rub up in a whole heap of coconut oil.
Yeah. No, it's a real thing.
Yes.
Yeah,
Thank you
real
so
thing,
much.
Real thing.
Thank you so much. I learned a lot, and I'm sure our viewers did as well, of the importance of getting the massages done. It can do so much for your body and for your mind, and particularly now, it's important. Thank you so much for speaking with us.
We have our most valuable tool, and that's our breath. And so in our massages, I definitely encourage persons to use the breath to get through discomfort, to get through any anxiety. And we use our breath. So my tagline is breathe easy, and really just try to step through with that in life.
Thank you so much, Natalie. All right, that was Natalie Reed Morris, experienced cultivator, masseuse, and birth keeper from Naturally Relax. Did you know massage may be the oldest form of medical care? Egyptian tomb paintings show people being massaged, and that's about 6,000 years ago, right? So 6,000 years long, probably can't be wrong. Ladies, get your massages done. Men too, but ladies, get your massages done. Up next, Strictly Cookies, J.A. zooms in. We soon come.